When nature meets design, something magical happens. Spaces come alive with warmth, balance, and authenticity. The quiet charm of eco-friendly wood decor captures that magic perfectly, blending the organic textures of the earth with the refined elegance of modern living. In an era where minimalism often borders on coldness, responsibly sourced wood brings back the warmth of human connection and the soul of the natural world. It's not just about decorating your home, it's about transforming it into a living, breathing environment that reflects both beauty and conscience. Each piece of sustainably crafted wood tells a story of renewal, craftsmanship, and purpose, reminding us that our choices can be both visually stunning and environmentally responsible. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning eco-friendly wood decor ideas where beauty meets sustainability. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. When you introduce wood into your home, you're not simply adding furniture or accents, you're inviting nature indoors. Responsibly sourced timber carries the essence of the forests it came from, the quiet strength of an oak, the soft calm of pine, the rich depth of walnut. These natural elements ground a space, creating an atmosphere that feels calm, organic, and timeless. Whether it's a handcrafted coffee table, a set of reclaimed wooden shelves, or an intricately carved wall piece, each item radiates the warmth of authenticity. It's this authenticity, born from the earth and shaped by human hands, that gives eco-friendly wood decor its emotional depth. In a world filled with plastic and synthetic substitutes, real wood reminds us of our roots, of how design once honored the natural world instead of replacing it. Sustainability in design isn't a passing trend, it's a return to harmony. Responsibly sourced wood is at the heart of that movement, offering a way to build and beautify without depletion or waste. Each piece, carefully selected from forests managed with respect for renewal, carries not only visual appeal but moral value. When we choose furniture made from reclaimed or certified wood, we participate in a cycle of respect for the land, the craftsmen, and the generations to come. And this mindful approach doesn't mean sacrificing elegance or sophistication. In fact, it enhances it. The natural textures, grains, and variations found in wood bring depth and individuality to every design, turning what might have been ordinary into something truly remarkable. What makes eco-friendly wood decor so remarkable is its versatility. It thrives in every design setting, from the clean lines of Scandinavian minimalism to the bold character of rustic or industrial styles. A simple reclaimed wood dining table can become the heart of a modern home, adding warmth to glass and metal surroundings. A sleek wooden lamp base, carved from fallen timber, can illuminate not just a corner, but the entire mood of a room. Even the smallest touches, a wooden tray, a natural picture frame, or a set of hand-turned bowls, add texture and balance that no synthetic material can replicate. Each object becomes a conversation between form and function, between nature's imperfections and the designer's vision. It's this dialogue that makes eco-conscious design feel so deeply human. Beyond aesthetics, eco-friendly wood decor carries a quiet sense of peace. There is something grounding about being surrounded by natural materials, the way light reflects softly off a polished wooden surface, the way the scent of cedar lingers faintly in the air, or how the cool touch of oak grows warmer over time. These sensory experiences reconnect us with the rhythms of nature, offering a refuge from the digital and disposable. In a home filled with wood, the boundaries between indoors and outdoors blur, creating continuity between human spaces and the natural world. It's more than decor, it's restoration, a subtle return to simplicity and authenticity in a world that often forgets what those feel like. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Choosing eco-friendly wood decor also tells a story about values, about mindfulness, integrity, and a deep appreciation for craftsmanship. Every responsibly sourced piece represents countless decisions made with care, from the sustainable forest it came from to the hands that shaped it, from the eco-friendly finishes used to protect it to the home that welcomes it. In buying or creating such pieces, you're not just investing in design, you're supporting a philosophy. You're declaring that beauty doesn't have to come at the cost of the planet, that style can coexist with sustainability, and that the most meaningful homes are those built with intention. There's pride in knowing your table, shelf, or sculpture didn't harm the earth, it honored it. What makes this movement even more inspiring is how accessible it has become. Eco-friendly wood decor is no longer reserved for luxury designers or environmental enthusiasts. It's for anyone who believes in thoughtful living. With growing awareness and innovation, sustainably sourced materials are more available and affordable than ever. Local artisans and small businesses are leading the way, transforming reclaimed wood, fallen branches, and responsibly harvested timber into works of art that rival the best of modern design. These creations prove that eco-friendly choices can be elegant, affordable, and deeply fulfilling, making it easier than ever for homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their values as much as their style. The beauty of wood lies not in perfection but in character. A knot, a grain, a scar, they're not flaws but signatures of time and nature. They remind us that beauty is rarely flawless and that authenticity often hides in the irregular. When designers choose to showcase rather than hide these natural marks, they create pieces that feel alive, carrying whispers of the forests they came from. This connection between nature and artistry infuses each room with emotion and story, making spaces feel less like showrooms and more like sanctuaries. Eco-friendly design is also about legacy. Responsibly sourced wood has longevity. It endures, adapts, and ages gracefully. Unlike disposable furniture, it gains value with time, its surfaces telling stories of use, family, and memory. A well-crafted wooden piece can outlast trends, becoming part of the narrative of your home for decades. In this way, sustainable decor becomes not only an aesthetic choice, but a generational gift, proof that design built with care can stand the test of time, both physically and ethically. Ultimately, when nature meets design, the result is harmony between the environment, the maker, and the space we call home. Eco-friendly wood decor is more than a design choice. It's an act of reverence. It asks us to slow down, to look closely, and to appreciate what nature already perfected. It challenges us to see beauty in sustainability and to believe that comfort, elegance, and ethics can share the same room. Each responsibly sourced piece of wood we bring into our lives is a reminder that the things we live with can do more than serve or impress. They can inspire, nurture, and connect. To live surrounded by natural wood is to live in rhythm with the earth. Every grain and hue whispers of the trees that once stood tall and silent, of seasons that passed, of rain, sun, and time itself. It brings warmth where metal feels cold, softness where concrete feels hard, and humanity where modernity often feels distant. In blending the artistry of design with the wisdom of nature, eco-friendly wood decor redefines what it means to live beautifully, proving, once and for all, that sustainable choices are not just better for the planet, but better for the soul. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning eco-friendly wood decor ideas where beauty meets sustainability. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.